Hello everyone. Good morning students. Welcome again. So this video is for 6th standard student, subject science, chapter number 2, food, what does it contain? So today in this video we are going to solve the exercise question part H. Answer each in 5-6 sentences. Let's start the video. Class 6, chapter number 2, food, what does it contain? Answer each in 5-6 sentences. Question number first. What is balanced diet? How does balanced diet of a child differ from that grown-up man? Leave the space for the question. Write down the answer. Answer number first. The diet which contain adequate amount of all the nutrients is called balanced diet. Write the correct spelling. The diet which contain adequate amount of all the nutrients is called balanced diet. A growing child need more protein than the grow-up man. This extra protein requires to build body tissue for fast growing. Complete your answer. Now question number 2. Question 2. Write the important function of water in our body. Leave the space for second question. Write the answer. Question number 2. Write the important function of water in our body. Answer. Answer number 2. Important function of water in our body. First, prevent dehydration. Second, maintain a constant body temperature. First, prevent dehydration. Point 2. Maintain a constant body temperature. Point 3. Remove waste product from the body. Complete your answer, students. These are the important point. Function of water in our body. There is total 4 point. Complete your answer. Point first, prevent dehydration. Point 2, maintain a constant body temperature. Third, remove waste product from the body. Fourth, transport important substance within the body. Point 4, transport important substance within the body. Complete your answer. Now next question, question number 3. Question number 3. Name a disease caused by deficiency of any two minerals in our diet. Write 2 symptoms. Answer number 3. Write the answer number 3. Goiter and anemia. Goiter and anemia are the two diseases caused by deficiency of minerals in our body. Symptoms are weakness and swallowing gland in neck region. Complete your answer. Goiter and anemia are the two diseases caused by deficiency of minerals in our body, and the symptoms are weakness and swallowing gland in the neck region. Complete your answer. Next question, question number 4. Question number 4. How do pre-cooking practices lead to the loss of nutrients in the food material? Question number 4. Now answer number 4. Write down the answer number 4. Frying and boiling are the pre-cooking practices. Frying and boiling are the pre-cooking practices which led to the loss of nutrients in the food material. The nutrients in vegetable and fruit are concentrated just below the skin. The nutrients in vegetables and fruit are concentrated just below the skin. So, peeling before boiling increase the loss of vitamin C. क्या होता है स्टूडेंट्स, जब आप फ्रूट एंड वेजिटेबल्स मार्केट से लाते हैं और उसके जो आउटर स्किन होती है ना, जस्ट लाइक ये आपका फ्रूट है, ठीक है, इसकी जो आउटर स्किन है, इसमें अगर आप इसको ज़्यादा पील आउट कर देते हैं, ज़्यादा छील के इसका छिलका निकाल देते हैं, तो उससे क्या विटामिन सी बहुत ज़्यादा लॉस हो जाता है, ठीक है, लॉस ऑफ विटामिन सी। तो आपको हमेशा एक पीलिंग करते टाइम पतली सी लेयर हटानी चाहिए किसी भी सब्जी या किसी भी फ्रूट की। कंप्लीट योर आंसर। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. Question number 5. How can you test for the presence of fat in a given food sample? Answer. Write down the answer. Answer number 5. To check the presence of fat in food sample, you will need cooking oil, test tube, dropper and ethanol. Write the correct spelling in your copy. You will need cooking oil, test tube, dropper and ethanol. Step 1. टेस्ट ट्यूब कैसा होता है आपका, ऐसा होता है, ठीक है। इसमें आप क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट स्टेप, टेक अ लिटिल कुकिंग ऑयल इन अ टेस्ट ट्यूब। इसमें आप थोड़ा सा कुकिंग ऑयल डाल लेंगे। तो कुकिंग ऑयल कौन सा होता है हमारा, मस्टर्ड ऑयल, राइट। कुकिंग ऑयल डाल लेंगे। फिर सेकेंड स्टेप क्या है, स्टेप 2, ऐड फ्यू ड्रॉप ऑफ इथेनॉल टू इट एंड शेक टेस्ट ट्यूब वेल। ऐड फ्यू ड्रॉप ऑफ इथेनॉल, ठीक है। कंप्लीट योर आंसर। Step number 2, add few drop of ethanol to it and shake test tube well. Result क्या होगा, what we get in a result? Write down the point, result. After this, cooking oil turns cloudy, shows that cooking oil contain fat in it. Complete your answer. You will need cooking oil, test tube, dropper and ethanol. Step first, take a little cooking oil in a test tube. Step number 2, add few drop of ethanol to it and shake test tube well. Result, after this the cooking oil turns cloudy, shows that the cooking oil contain fat in it. So student, Class 6 student, your chapter 2 exercise is complete. Now from the next video we start the new chapter. Complete this portion, answer each in 5-6 sentences in your fair copy. Thank you.